So how we can take actually a stake in Meter? हिस्सेदार कैसे बन सकते हैं? By just investing $30, only just $30. Beat by $90, beat by $27,000. Again, you get double the coins, but the staking period is increased to 2 years. उस टाइम पे आपका स्टेकिंग पीरियड, आपको तब भी कॉइन डबल मिलते हैं जब आप अपग्रेड करते हैं, बट आपका स्टेकिंग पीरियड को डबल कर दिया जाता है 2 साल के लिए. Why? Because longer the staking period, higher the benefits. Longer the staking period, higher the benefits. जितना लंबा स्टेकिंग पीरियड होगा उतने ज्यादा बेनिफिट्स होंगे. So let's assume with an example, if you invest your 10,000 rupees, which is approximately $120 in Meter, what are the possibilities? If you choose not to invest, अगर आप ये कहते हैं कि मैं 10,000 रुपए मीटर में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करता, तो आप बाकी पैसा कहाँ रखेंगे? Where you will keep your money? You will keep either in savings account. So after 2 years, your money will become 10,600 rupees in savings account. After 2 years, your money will be 11,200 rupees in FD. After 2 years, it will be 12,100 rupees in mutual funds. But if you keep it in Meter and there is no change in value, आप Meter में रखते हैं और कोई चेंज नहीं होता वैल्यू के अंदर, still it will become 20,000 rupees because you're getting the double the coins from day one. आपको पहले दिन से डबल कॉइन्स मिल रहे हैं, तो 10,000 20,000 रुपए होने ही होने हैं. And if the coin value gets doubled, your money become 40,000 rupees, which is 4 times. Which is 4 times. And it is expected that Meter coin will go up to 10 times in coming 730 days. That means your 10,000 rupees can actually become 2 lakh rupees. 10,000 rupees can actually become 2 lakh rupees in 2 years. आपके 10,000 रुपए 2 लाख रुपए बन सकते हैं. And that's a huge scope. And I will say that's a calculated risk. Because your loss is already covered because you're getting the double the coins. आपका loss already covered है. So how you make money? By introducing people. The first income is introduction bonus. Whenever you introduce someone with a trial pack, that is $30, you get $15 as commission. जब भी आप किसी को $30 से invite करते हैं कंपनी में, तो आपको $15 की कमीशन मिलती है. You can introduce as many people as you want. जितनों को चाहे आप introduce कर सकते हैं. Here I have taken an example of 4 people. 4 लोगों का example लिया है. That means you will be earning $60. 4 लोगों को इंट्रोड्यूस करने पे $15 ईच, $60 की कमाई होगी. एंड इफ यू इंट्रोड्यूस 10 पीपल तो $150. इफ यू इंट्रोड्यूस 20 पीपल दैट मींस $300. तो आप जितनों को करते जाएंगे पर व्यक्ति आपको $15 मिलने वाला है. बट यू गेट ओनली 1 इनकम इफ योर ओन पैक इज विद द ट्रायल पैक. फॉर ऑल द रेस्ट ऑफ द इनकम यू मस्ट अपग्रेड विद एटलीस्ट $90. बाकी सभी इनकम लेने के लिए आपका पैक कम से कम $90 से अपग्रेड होना चाहिए. दैट मीन your total stake in the company should at least be $120. कम से कम $120 का आपका स्टेक कंपनी में होना चाहिए. When you upgrade your package, second income that you start to get, जो आपको दूसरी इनकम मिलती है, that is called advisory bonus. What is advisory bonus? Advisory bonus is that you get commission from the people who are not directly brought to you by you in the company. जिनको आप डायरेक्टली नहीं भी लेके आए हैं, जिनको आपकी टीम लेकर आई है, उनसे भी आपको इनकम मिलती है. That means let's take an example. You introduce 3 people, so we'll get introduction bonus from 3 people, that is $15. Your total income will be $45. Now these 3 people, ये 3 लोग आगे 3 लोगों को लेकर आए. These 3 people actually brought 3 each. That means 9. You will get $1. $1 सबसे मिलेगा. $1 from everyone. तो your total income will be $9. And so on. If we go till the 9th level, हम 9th level तक जाएं इसी multiplication को लेकर 3, 9, 27. If we'll go till the 9th level, the total people will be 29,523. And total income will be $24,650 in advisory income and $30,000 in rewards. अगर हम ये काम कर देते हैं तो 24,650 मुझे एडवाइजरी बोनस में आता है डॉलर्स के अंदर और $30,000 का मुझे रिवॉर्ड मिल जाता है. $30,000 इन रिवॉर्ड्स. सो टोटल इनकम बिकम $54,650, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 लाख रुपए इन इंडियन रुपीस, 50 lakh rupees in Indian rupees. So if I achieve just 10%, that is 5 lakh rupees. That's a huge income. But let me just tell you, there is no time limit on this income. There is no time limit. You can take your own pace. Even if you take 9 years to complete, 9 साल में ये काम करते हैं, that means you will be earning 50 lakh rupees in 9 years, which is approximately 5.5 lakh rupees per annum, which is more than the salary of an MBA. अगर 9 साल में भी ये काम करें तो लगभग 5.5 लाख पे महीना आता है, जो कि एक MBA की सैलरी से ज्यादा है. So you can work at your own pace, you can take your own time. Next, other income are direct income and residual income. What is direct income? When somebody brought to you by you upgrades, you get 10% of that amount. जिस व्यक्ति को आप डायरेक्टली लेकर आए, अगर वो अपग्रेड करते तो उसका 10% आपको मिलता है. That means if someone who has been introduced by you upgrades his package by $90, you get $9. And if upgrades by $27,000, you get $270. कोई आपका लाया वो व्यक्ति $90 अपग्रेड करता है तो $9 मिल जाएंगे. $27,000 अपग्रेड करता है तो $270 अपने $2700 अपने को मिल जाएंगे. एंड इफ someone upgrades who is in your team but not introduced by you but somebody else in your team, you will also get income from those people. How much income you will get, that is shown in the chart. That will depend on which level that particular person is there in your team. तो अगर आपकी टीम में कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति अपग्रेड करते हैं जिसको आप नहीं लेकर आए, आपकी टीम में कोई व्यक्ति लेकर आया, तो उसके अपग्रेड करने पे भी आपको पैसा मिलता है. बट वो डिपेंड करेगा कितना मिलता है, वो आपके सामने चार्ट पे दिखा रखा है. If your own package is up to $900, you will get a residual income from first 9 levels. If your own package is up to $900, you will get a residual income from the first 9 levels. And if your pack is from $2,700 to $27,000, you will get residual income from 18 levels. आपका खुद का अगर लेवल $900 तक का है जो पैक है, तो आपको पहले 9 लेवल से मिलने वाली है रेजिडुअल इनकम. और अगर खुद का पैक आपका $2700 या उससे ज्यादा का है तो आपको 18 लेवल से मिलेगी. कितना मिलेगी, दैट इज शोन इन द चार्ट. 1%, 1.5%, 2%, 2.5%. This we can actually understand at a later stage as well. Let's take an example. If we do the business is $120 only, that is approximately 10,000 rupees. So I introduce 3 people, I will get an income of $72 one time and $3 per month in ROI in terms of coins. These 3 people bring 3 each. So $90 in one time income, $12 in ROI. That means a total of $15 now. And if I go till like that till 6th level, so there will be approximately 1,000 people. अगर 3 करके मैं 6ठे लेवल तक जाता हूँ तो 1,000 आदमी हो जाता है. There is approximately 1,000 people in my 6th level. So my projected income will be approximately $2,500, which is approximately 2 lakh rupees per month. यानी कि अगर 3 का भाड़ा भी चला केवल और 6ठे लेवल तक आया तो 1,000 आदमी से मुझे लगभग $2,500 की आमदनी आती है, which is approximately 2 lakh rupees per month. And after that the actually game start, because it will keep on multiplying. It will keep on multiplying and the income will start rising. And this income you earn for next 2 years. 2 साल तक आता है आपको ये पैसा. You worked just once, but you are earning for the next 2 years. 2 साल तक आप पे ये पैसा generate कर रहे हैं, and that's a huge potential. Apart from that, we also get team building income and rank bonuses. So this is all accumulated. सारा का सारा जुड़ता चला जाता है. So when you do a total business of $1,500, आपका जो level है, you level up by 5%. What that means? Earlier, when somebody was upgrading in your team, you were getting 10%. Now you will get 15%. पहले जब कोई आपकी टीम में अपग्रेड कर रहा था तो आपको $10% आता था, अब आपको 15% आएगा. Earlier you were getting 10%, now you will get 15%. So on, when you move to the senior executive, that means a total business of $5,000, so you get up to 7 level. Also, अगर आपकी टीम में 2 एग्जीक्यूटिव हो जाते हैं, there are 2 executives in your team, you get a reward of $200. Get a reward of $200, and so on till the last level. Till the last level, your own level gets upgraded to 25%, and you can earn a total reward of $6 lakh. A total reward of $6 lakh. $6 lakh का total reward आपके लिए available है. That means the sky is the limit. There is no limit in this compensation plan. The limit will only be in your mind. आप किस लेवल तक जाके कमाना चाहते हो, कोई लिमिट इस प्लान में नहीं है. आपकी अपनी मेहनत डिसाइड करेगी आप कितना कमाना चाहते हैं. Sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. Now this is an example with the $90. The same example which I took earlier with $120, जो पहले $120 से लिया था, and just explain with $930, because some people ask कि what if I do business with a higher pack, then what is the possibility? अगर मैं बड़े पैक से बिजनेस करता हूँ तो क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज होती हैं. So let's take an example कि if I do business with $930, which is approximately 75,000 rupees, So if I complete the same chart, 3, 9, 27, and I have 1,000 people in my team, earlier when I was doing business with $120, जब मैं $120 से business कर रहा था, at that point of time, my projected income was $2,500. Here, it is approximately $25,000, which is 20 lakh rupees. And that in terms of coins. If the value of the coin goes up, let's say the coin values 1,000 rupees, then this income is approximately 2 crore rupees. 2 crore rupees per month. Ooh, huge potential. So, it is up to you. It is up to you how much money you want to make. It is not a get rich overnight scheme. ये रातों रात अमीर बनने की scheme नहीं है. It's a business. The more effort you will put in, the more money you will make. But there is no limit. There is no limit. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. You can write your own paycheck. You can write your own paycheck, and that is the most beautiful thing. That is the most beautiful thing. You're not dependent on anybody else. So, आप अपनी मेहनत करके अपना खुद का पेचेक लिख सकते हैं. इससे बेहतर और क्या चीज हो सकती है यार? This is the most beautiful thing in the entire world. In pandemic, people are losing their income, and in Meter we have people who are making lakhs and lakhs of rupees every single month, and you will get a chance to meet those people. Just wait for some moment. There are also extra rewards like cars and Dubai trips. As of now, you can make payment either in Bitcoin or Ethereum, and very soon you will be able to make payment to debit and credit cards. The company is already into different countries. All countries, हमारा offices already हैं. So you're working with a big brand.